Okay guys, today's episode is obviously about one thing, just getting in there and getting it done. We got primer on everything, we blocked it out, we put some seam sealer in our bed, we got everything sealed, painted, cleared, everything's in good shape. I'll walk you through there real quick before we leave, but like I said, today was just about getting it done. I had a limited time schedule and needed to get it done and out of here, and so we got the bed and everything, the bed and sides all painted, the tailgate's painted. That stuff's going to be ready to go back together, and then we can start focusing on the front half of this pickup and getting even more done and just keep moving forward. I'll take you in the booth real quick and walk you through and show you what we got. There it is. Never mind the dirty booth, guys. I'll get on it next week. But for right now, look at that shine. Really happy with the way everything turned out. And again, our bed is prepped. We're going to come back in next time and we're going to raptor line this before we haul this back to the shed. And we're going to be moving forward. There's the tailgate and fuel door. Lord, look at that shine. Really happy with the way everything turned out. Oh, I wanted to point out real quick, guys. Right there, that's where our great big broken piece was. It's all better now. Tailgate. You can fix your makeup in that reflection. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it today. I'm beat, ready to go to the house. So go find a project, get dirty. Oh, and like and subscribe.